Here we've got the APC 650 UPS. So from the input of the UPS, that goes to the wall socket supplying power to your UPS. And from the output of your UPS, we'll use the top port to whichever device you're supplying power to, such as your desktop PC, or if you have something like a Janus coupler, you can supply power to such things as your laptops, your TVs, monitors, and many more devices. So I've got my laptop plugged in and this desktop. We'll switch on the power, switch on the UPS by keeping the button. Green light flashing, it should be solid. Let's give it a few seconds. And there we go. Green light is solid and my devices are being supplied with power. Switch on the desktop and the desktop is powered by the UPS. We can unplug the power, or we can switch off the plug to simulate a power outage. UPS is beeping. My laptop still indicates that it's receiving power and the desktop has not switched off. The UPS should beep to indicate that it does not have any input power. The yellow light indicates that it's on its battery. We'll switch back on the power. The UPS is back online. No interruption. Laptop is still on and the desktop is still on.